Retinol is one of the most used acne treatment worldwide, but most people don't understand what's doing inside your skin. And it is not what most skincare videos talk about. So in today's video, we're going to talk about retinol and what it does to your skin. Hello and welcome back to part 6 of the acne series. We have come so far and I am proud of you if you have made up from the first part to this part. It has been a very nice journey knowing how your skin works and how to manage your skin problems. So in today's video, we'll be covering on retinol, which is one of a very good treatment for acne and overall skin texture. I will explain what retinol is, its action, and how it works on your skin step by step. So if you're interested in knowing more about retinol, make sure to stay to the very end of this video. When I started studying skin biology, one thing became clear. Acne treatment don't just clear out your skin, they actually change how your skin cells behave. And retinol is one of the best examples of that. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. Once applied into the skin, it gets converted into retinoic acid, which is its active form. This active form binds into skin cells receptors and then it changes the skin gene expression, meaning it tells your skin how to behave. And this is when acne treatment actually begins at cellular level. One of the many effects of retinol is increasing cell turnover. Normally, your skin takes 28 to 40 days to renew itself, but retinol speeds up the process. So instead of dead cells building up and clogging your skin pores, they shed more efficiently, which targets the very first step of acne formation. Remember from earlier video, acne starts when oil and dead skin cells clog up the skin pores. Retinol reduces that build-up from the earliest stages. But that is the only part of the mechanism. Retinols also influence inflammation pathways within the skin. Over time, they reduce the tendency of pores becoming inflamed, which means fewer painful red acne lesions. But this effect is gradual and not immediate. One of the most misconceptions about retinol is it should work in few days, but because it changes skin gene expression and cell turnover, it usually takes weeks to months to show visible results. This is where people stop too early. In the beginning, people experience irritation or purging. This is not because the skin is getting worse, it is because faster skin cell turnover brings clogged pores up to the surface, which is actually part of the process and not failure. So retinol is not just a cream for acne, it is a molecule that changes how your skin renews itself over time. It targets acne as a root cause, not just visible symptoms. Now that you understand how acne actually forms, why treatments take time, and how retinol works, the next step is building a routine step by step depending on the type of acne that you have, because knowing the science is one thing and applying it correctly is another thing. That's why I put together a simple guide that breaks down how to create a routine for your acne depending on the stage of your acne, the type of your acne, and your skin type. So if you're interested in knowing how to plan your actual acne treatment routine, make sure you check the link in the description box below. Until the next one, bye.